Bwana wanamuita Dax B TZ aka reporter bwana. Leo niko na wanafunzi wa darasa fulani, nafikiri watajielezea wenyewe kwa darasa gani na wataweza kujielezea wako darasa gani na wanataka kushare na sisi kitu gani siku ya leo. Nafikiri tutawaachia hilo swala wenyewe tutalifanya. But najua huenda naongea Kiswahili, huenda wanielewi. Let me using their language. I'm sure that you don't know what I'm speaking, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so let me from Swahili to English to make sure all of us will be understandable. I understand. Physically we are here, but spiritually we are outside of the country. I understand?
Yes.
Yeah, tuko nje jamani, tuko nje ya nchi kwa sababu tunajaribu kuongea lugha ambazo kwa kweli kwa namna moja au nyingine zilikuja na ndege. Sasa I would like to know your names, which grade are you, which subject, which your favorite subjects, and you also. But also I'll give you a chance to speak in majority, anything we want, and we can share with majority from the different areas. Maybe you will convince some parents from the different area to bring his kids here and get a good education as we get from here. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, good. So I would like first of all to start with you. What is your name?
My name is Johnson Godfrey Kiunsi.
Johnson Godfrey Chunsi. Godfrey?
Kiunsi.
Kiunsi. Mpenzi mtazamaji sema Chunsi, kumbe sio Chunsi ni Kiunsi. And
my name is Vincent Peter Adamson.
Vincent who?
Peter Adamson.
Peter Adamson. Okay, so do you have something to share with us today?
Yes.
So first of all, I would like to know how many subjects in your class?
6 subjects.
6 subjects. How can you mention even 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Mathematics.
Yes.
Civic and moral.
Civic and moral.
Social study.
Social study. Mpenzi mtazamaji, social study kama uelewi njoo New Hope ndo utavielewa vitu. Yaani kwa kweli huko uliko kama wewe hauelewi mambo hayo. Bwana, I would like to welcome you and share something in front of Major here. They are listening us and we are take more time. Maybe they want to hear what we are going to share today. So I would like to welcome you here and try talk something in front of Major here. So I'm sure that everything should be possible, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, because we can and you can, we can together, is it?
Yes.
How can you speak that? It is like
I can. We can.
Yes.
We can.
Oh, hallelujah! I appreciate your work. Yes. Can you talk something?
Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about parts of the brain. Welcome. Mention 3 parts of the brain: cerebellum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. What is the function of cerebellum? Cerebellum used to sense the body balance. Cerebellum used to the action like thinking, remembering. Yes, like those. Yes. What is the function of medulla oblongata? Medulla oblongata used to kill the involuntary actions. Thank you. Examples of involuntary action like the heart pumping the blood and respiration, and the cerebellum is used to say the body balance like sit down, stand up, and cerebrum used to think, remembering, and other materials. But when you say voluntary action like eating, running, walking, yes, so like that. Thank you for listening us. And we are going to introduce our school. New Primary School is a better school for education like us. We don't know anything, but now when you ask us about any topic of science, we can and we must and we will. Thank you.
Okay, mpenzi mtazamaji, nilikuwa na vijana wangu walikuwa jaribu kupiga mambo swala ya ngengenge kidogo. Najua kwa wewe kwa namna moja au nyingine wewe ulikuwa uelewi, lakini hivi vitu nafikiri vinafahamika kwa watoto tu hawa. Bwana, mimi nipende kusema ya kwamba unakaribishwa New Hope Primary English Medium. Ni shule ambayo iko vizuri sana. Yaani ukizungumzia shule ambazo ziko vizuri, sijajua mtoto wako umempeleka wapi, lakini mimi nakushauri kama uko mkoa wa Songwe, hata kama hauko mkoa wa Songwe, nafikiri unashauriwa kumleta mtoto wako New Hope Primary English Medium kwa sababu it is a better school and we provide a good education and we are good and we are building, we are everything is fine, and we have invested a lot. We have school bus, we have a computer room, we have everything about school we have here. So I would like to welcome you from the different areas, from different regions, you are most welcome because we are good in education and we are good quality teachers. I'm sure I'm right, eh?
Yes.
We have a good quality teachers. When we are talking about New Hope, you are talking about a quality education, quality ed teacher, quality academics, quality environment, whatever you can say, you know. Yeah, and you are talking everything that is possible, but what not only that. Muda mwingi unajua watu wapende tu kusifia shule peke yake, lakini nipande kuisifia nipende au kuizungumzia hata director. Kwa kweli kwa namna moja au nyingine yuko vizuri sana bwana. Hata wewe mfanyakazi unahitaji kazi pia, kazi zipo mzee, kwa hiyo unaweza kufika hapo ukapata kazi kabisa, endapo kama kulikuwa kuna chance hiyo unaweza kupata. Kwa hiyo nafasi zipo za kuhamia kwa wanafunzi, zipo wafanyakazi mnaotaka kazi pia zipo, lakini pia bosi wetu yuko vizuri kabisa. Ni maybe your boss, but when I'm talking about my boss, my boss is good. When we're talking about everything is possible, she's care to us, so everything is possible. So I would like to welcome you, workers, teachers, different areas. So I would like to welcome you and come and visiting us and joining us. We are good in quality. Okay, I would like to take this chance to tell you that we are get something from you, and I think watching different area, I'm sure that they have got something to us. Is it? Yeah. So for this time, I think we don't have a time. You can say bye.
Bye.
This video can be found at Dax BTZ.